everybody, Justin Worden, and you're watching What's New in Electronics. We are here at the IPC Apex show in Anaheim, California. It's day one, and I'm sitting here with Mark Scelfo of Bimos ESD Seating. How are you, Mark?
We're doing real well, thank you.
Now, I understand, well actually, this is a welcoming party. Welcome to the United States, right?
Well, thank you, yes. Bimos is a manufacturer that is part of the Interstool Group. We're based in Germany. We officially launched in the US in 2020, and timing is everything. Lost a little bit of time due to COVID, so we're relatively new, just over the last couple years, trying to penetrate this electronics digital marketplace.
You know, I should have started this interview by saying thank you. And the reason I'm saying thank you is courtesy to you are these amazing chairs that I get to sit in for the next 3 days interviewing people like yourself. So these are extremely comfortable. They move around very well. And for ESD seating, people that are spending 8, 9, 10, maybe 12 hours a day sitting down, I can see why they would want these.
Yeah, and you're going to enjoy it over the next couple of days. You know, just to give you a little perspective, our chairs are considered to be the premium chair in the marketplace. We're the largest company globally making lab and ESD seating. Historically, over the last number of decades, when you look at other, supplies, seating that goes into offices as well as manufacturing and lab environments, the office side of the market has continued to progress with regard to design, innovation, ergonomics, quality seating for the office worker. Conversely, when you look at industrial production, research-oriented type of workers, many of these individuals are sitting in product that is dated, having been designed 20, 25 years ago. Bimos is a manufacturer that designs products specifically for these research and science workers. And all of the ergonomics, the functionality, the quality that you actually see in office seating, we've brought into our ESD and lab seating. And the typical worker that's going to have to sit in these chairs 4 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours a day, I can't tell you how much they appreciate having a good quality support tool that allows them to get their work done, but also feel good, at the end of the day and working in them.
Well, I think the key point you put there is feel good, because in the end, that's what we want to do. We want to make sure we're creating a good environment for our employees. And right now, all across the globe, labor shortages are at an all-time high. We're trying to recruit the right employees. And I know it sounds small, but having quality equipment, quality seats is something that will help you attract and retain more employees.
You're extremely observant and perceptive. That is exactly one of the things that we try to educate end users about is when you look at a typical investment, sure, you can buy a chair just about anywhere. You can buy it through distributors, internet sites, catalogs, and hypothetically somebody says our budget for a production worker or researcher might be a $400 chair. A chair of this quality that might be another couple $100 more goes light years with regard to recruiting, retaining, rewarding the personal individual, not to mention supporting them from an ergonomic standpoint so that you have less back strain, less insurance claims, all the things that go about supporting the individual getting their work done. So that's extremely observant of you to make that comment.
Yeah, and as the world continues to progress, things are changing, right? And ergonomics and strain on your body is becoming more and more common. I don't want to say more common in the workplace, but it's becoming more relevant in the workplace.
Sure.
And these are the small investments, like you said, that companies can make to invest in their employees so that they don't have to deal with all those strain issues. I'd much rather have, as an executive, an employee that can put in 12 solid hours feeling comfortable than maybe they put in 12 hours and they don't come to work the next day.
Yep. Walking the show floor, one of the observations that I have is a lot of these manufacturers are developing what would be considered state-of-the-art tools and equipment for companies to get their work done. Not only are these great from an ergonomic standpoint, but when you look at the design of the product, the innovation of the product, you're going to find that it's going to project a state-of-the-art image, not only to employees, but other customers that are going to walk through manufacturing environments, and it sets a real, again, reference point of the organization that's investing in these internally and externally. So, we think it's invaluable for companies to think a little bit more progressively rather than just buying a chair out of a catalog.
Absolutely. Well, before we let you go, please let everyone know how can they get a hold of you.
So best way to reach us is www.bimos.com. They can also reach me, Mark Scelfo, 630-725-8284, or m.scelfo@interstuhl.com. So that's interstuhl.com. We would love to hear from you and help you out, helping your workforce get in some great seating.
All right, Mark. Well, thank you again for allowing me to sit in this chair for the next 3 days. Have a wonderful show.
Of course, enjoy it. Thanks so much.